Sir, get off me now. You don't lost your mind. What is your name? And you don't make my fucking flipper come out my fucking mouth.
Several instances of shoplifting and resistance to arrest are depicted.
What I want to do, don't bump me, ma'am, because I didn't do nothing.
To stop and have a seat.
Okay, I am going to have a seat. Why are you being aggressive?
In one scene, a woman named Miss Daisy is confronted by a Walmart employee for shoplifting.
Go back to this door right here. Ma'am, push the car inside the store.
And initially refuses to cooperate.
I would tell
all this is stand here. Let's walk this way.
I don't want it.
Ma'am, leave everything in the car and walk this way.
$300 for all my stuff.
Walk this way.
In another scene, the woman argues with officers and becomes physically resistant during her arrest.
You break something.
On the ground now. On the ground now.
What did you talk?
On the ground now.
Insisting that Walmart should pay for the stolen item and let her go.
Have your bag. You want me to pay $200? That's fine. Let me go. I'm running. I'm running.
No, ma'am.
I swear to God, you're gonna kill me today.
She also accuses the officers of racial bias and threatens to call emergency services.
Excuse me, ma'am. You come back inside the store for me. Bring your card. Bring your card. Come back inside the store. I don't want to embarrass you in the parking lot.
You're not gonna embarrass me.
Bring your card. Come back inside the store, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Bring your card inside the store, please.
I'm coming inside the store.
Now.
I am coming out. I don't know what you're looking for. What are you looking for?
You can go back to this door right here.
This?
Ma'am, push the car inside the store.
I'll put my card inside the store before I snap. Oh, wow.
All right, go ahead and pull your card up over here for me.
Okay, so what are y'all talking about? What
Okay.
What is it? Because it's two transactions.
Do you have an ID on you?
No. But I can tell you my name.
So let's stop right now, okay? I'm stopping you for shoplifting. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude. Stop. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude.
Okay.
If not, I'll just take you to the county because I really don't care.
I don't go to jail.
Officer requests that Miss Daisy return to the store with her cart and purse, which contained stolen merchandise.
You don't? Because you can't today.
What I'm telling you is I don't go to jail. I don't have a record. But what I'm
Right, but what I'm telling you is today you can make your way to the county.
What did I make?
Number one is this purse and also the clothes in this cart that you bagged up at the register. So let's change the tone. Okay?
I scanned fucking pennies. And there's an employee here that fucking seen it. If you saying I shoplifted my pennies, they're $3. I done set up there and fucking all of these. That's why exactly I don't come here. Do not come to this Walmart because y'all be on bullshit.
The officer persists, explaining that she is being detained for shoplifting and that she must cooperate.
If that's the case, you could have easily said.
Okay, first of all, stop. Stop all that. Back away from the cart, ma'am. Back away from the cart.
I'm backing away, giving you.
Where's your receipt at?
My receipt is right here.
Okay, give me your receipt.
Because I have 2 transactions.
Okay, excellent. There's that, Miss Daisy.
Okay.
This purse does not belong to you. This purse belongs to the store. I watched you take this off the shelf and tear the tags off. These do not belong to you. This does not belong to you. I watched you put this inside the purse. Please don't grab any of the stolen merchandise. Please don't grab anything out of the purse, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
Miss Daisy, I'm gonna walk her down to the office and then we'll come.
Can you just tell her to put
walk this way for me,
put my money back on my card?
Ma'am,
hold this for me.
Walk this way for me,
please. Can you put my money back on my
walk
card
this
and get my
way.
refund?
You'll get this in a second. Walk this way.
I would tell
all
y'all.
This is stand here. Let's walk this way.
I don't want it.
Ma'am, leave everything in the car and walk this way.
$300 for all my stuff.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Pay attention to what I'm telling you then.
I am paying attention to what
Please walk this way.
I have never
been called? Excellent.
No, not been called. You being sarcastic.
Yes, I am. Glad you picked up on it. Step inside. You're gonna have a seat over here on this bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
I'm gonna step inside and you gonna let me out. I'm gonna step inside, she got what you wanted, and that's the case. Here go my food stamp card. Give me back all my money on that.
Now, have a seat.
Sir, I'm ready to go.
You're not going anywhere right now.
And I'm tired. What is this?
I've already told you what you've been stopped for.
Okay, you said shoplifting with the purse and you didn't pay for your penny.
That's correct.
And I paid for everything else.
Okay, that's fine. So they're gonna go through the cart.
You want me to pay for the pennies, swipe my card.
I said put it
go
by my
ahead
candy.
and go ahead and just refund me my money back and I'll go somewhere else. It's simple. It's common sense.
That's why usually people come in and they pay for the stuff and they get to leave.
I pay for my stuff, sir. Don't come at me like that because I'm not no thief. I don't have a record being a thief.
Okay, but you got caught stealing today, right?
I got caught stealing today. Okay, if that justifies your situation, cool.
No, it justifies your situation, ma'am.
She becomes aggressive and resists being detained, leading to a physical altercation.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
No, you cannot.
Okay, you can keep that. I'll get something else. Because what I want to
Excuse
do,
me.
don't bump me, ma'am, because I didn't
told
do nothing.
you
I didn't do nothing
to stop and have a seat.
Okay, I am going to have a seat. Why
Stop,
are
I'm
you
gonna
being
take you to the
aggressive?
ground.
Because you're hurting my
Stop,
arm.
I'm gonna take you to the ground.
Sir, first of all, sir, I'm a licensed medical
Stop,
assistant.
I'm gonna take you to the ground.
My pinky that's already
I'm telling you right
broken.
now, if you do not stop tensing up, I'm gonna take you to the ground.
I'll go sit down.
No. Now you're gonna get put in cuffs.
For what?
Stop tensing up, I'm gonna take you to the ground. Turn around. Turn around.
This is some bullshit. You do not have to put me in cuffs. I will comply and go sit my ass back down.
Turn around now.
And bump me again like that. And I'm trying to get,
I told you to stop.
What the f*** is you doing that for? You sitting up here? No, you not. You not.
Turn over.
You not
Turn
finna
over
do
now.
that. You not finna sit up here and put me on my face and I'm a woman. You break something.
On the ground now. On the ground now.
What did you talk?
On the ground now.
You done made me
On the ground now.
That go my arm like that.
On the ground now.
Oh my God.
On the ground now.
Ooh. Call my lawyer. Call my dad. Call my dad. I did not try to break no receipt. Get off me and I cannot breathe.
You'll be able to in just a
Get
second.
your chest off me now.
Give me your other arm.
I'm gonna give you my other arm when you want something. Sir, get off me now. You don't lost your mind. What is your name? And you
My
don't
name's
make my
Officer
fucking
Latham.
flipper come out my mouth. Move.
The woman continues to resist and threaten, but the officer maintains control and eventually gets her to sit down.
Cause I gotta go to work tomorrow. Give my refund now. I'm done. Cause the way you slapped me on my fucking face.
Have a seat.
Why you slap me on my face? My
Have a
face
seat.
hurt.
Have a
My
seat.
face is killing me.
Have a seat now.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat. Are you
Don't
going back on
bump
the
my
ground?
head. Don't not bump my
Have
head.
a seat.
You f***ing aggressive, bro. To the wrong f***ing people.
Stay seated.
I am seated.
And do not get up.
Alright. Uncuff me then. Cause if you was my man, I'd slap you dead in your shit for putting your hand on a female. You got me up. Bitch, I ain't never been in trouble. I'm not no troublemaker.
I don't think sufficient.
Can you move her? Cause it's bad enough she bought me. She old as and I'll drag her. So I'm telling you right now. You can sit there and you can pose if you want to. Call your granddaughter. Or whoever you want. Cause I guarantee you I ain't gonna lose. Can you give me my stuff?
She's
No,
not
I'm mad.
expecting
I don't want to shop here no more. And I will speak to corporate.
The purse she attempted to take are highlighted as stolen. The woman eventually agrees to pay for the stolen items and wants released.
Oh, in the purse. Fuck out my face. If that's the case, you want me to pay for the purse, I'll pay for it. Get me the up out of here. You don't do no labor like that. I'm not one of them ghetto hoes. I'm very classy. And intelligent. Don't play with me. I hope your wife like it.
Does she have family out there?
Yeah. Do you want the guy and the ladies you're with to take your stuff?
What do you mean?
Just take your wallet.
They're gonna take your wallet. Do you want your family to take your wallet?
For what?
Because you've been arrested, man.
Because you're being arrested.
Being arrested for what?
You're going to jail.
Yeah.
Why am I going to jail?
It's an easy question. Do you want your family to take your personal property, or
I
would
do
you
want
rather,
them to take my personal
or
property,
would you
and
rather
I do
put it in
want
a
them to
bag and
take
have
my
it taken
stuff.
to county? So what do you want us to do?
I'm telling you, what am I going to jail for?
She becomes increasingly agitated, threatening to resist further, and even suggesting that she is ready to die.
And then he said resisting arrest. How the f*** I resist arrest? You trying to make me a criminal because I'm a black woman, bro. I'm telling you, if I was white, you would have let that hoe go. Let me go. Let me go.
Not true, ma'am.
It is. It is. I'm running.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
running.
No, ma'am.
I swear to God, you're gonna kill me today. You're gonna kill me today.
Just take a seat, ma'am, please.
You're gonna kill me today.
No, ma'am, we're not.
You're gonna kill me today.
No, ma'am, we're not.
Her resistance to arrest not only worsens her situation, but also introduces additional legal challenges, illustrating the importance of compliance.
Is the EMT coming?
Yeah.
Where's the EMT at?
They're out in the parking lot.
Okay, we're at in the parking lot.
He's
We're
back.
at, so I can go and show them this, and I can show them that my knee.
You want to go out this door, or I can open this one up.
This one open.
Oh, I can open this one.
Where my knee is and where my brother is at. Where everybody, you can come through. I'm skinny. You can come through, and I'm gonna let them know that I am. Where they at? Where's the EMT, sir?
They're in the other corner of the parking lot. You gotta be patient.
What other corner? I don't even see no front. No, I'm not getting into no problem. I'm not getting into no problem. I'm not. No. Call my brother now, please. Call my brother now. Call my brother now, please, because you didn't
Watch
even
your
call.
head. Watch
You
your
did not
head.
even call EMT. You did not even call EMT. I don't want to get
Stop.
in here. I don't want to get in here. Fucking what?
Stop.
What?
Listen.
For what? For what? For what? No, don't put no seatbelt on me. Don't put nothing on me, and y'all hurting my fucking hand. Stop grabbing on me.
Stop.
Get your hand off my fucking neck. You better get your fucking hand off my fucking neck. Stupid ass shit.
You want to hobble or no? I mean,
Want her smacking her head on the wall. That's what I'm.
yeah, she's out of the
Just got
seatbelt.
that out. Okay, we'll hobble her. Do you have a hobble strap?
No. Yeah, cause this is Garrick's truck, right? Garrick. Yeah.
If you didn't call no EMT, get me out of here now.
You got one?
Get me out of here now.
Oh, here it is.
Get me out of here now. I'm not going over there.
Hey,
You're not fucking,
hey.
You're not finna
Listen.
me.
Doing this.
Listen.
Somebody. No, because y'all not respecting what the I
Hey,
said.
listen to me.
No.
If
no,
you don't stop,
no,
we are going to hobble
no,
your feet.
No.
You understand that?
No. Tell them I want an EMT right
So
now.
listen,
Because you keep
you are
hurting
going
me.
to see the
You keep
nurse
hurting
at
me.
the
I don't
jail.
want to see no nurse.
Okay?
I don't want to see no nurse.
The
in
nurse
jail.
has
You
more
cannot
training.
make me.
The nurse has
You
more
cannot
training
make me.
than a paramedic.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
I'm a licensed
It is a
medical
registered
assistant.
nurse. Then
I'm
you
a
should
li-
know
I
that a
don't wanna
registered
lay back.
nurse has more training.
It hurt. You got my whole. You got my whole
Come
back.
over here.
You could have put the handcuffs in the front. What am I gonna do
No, that
in
shit
the
too.
front?